Now we are going to discuss the second way of solving the problem, that is called as homogeneous differential equation. Let me explain what is the meaning of homogeneous differential equation with one example and the procedure for that. So this is the question: x square dy plus y into x plus y dx will be equal to 0. Why it is called as homogeneous? The degree of each term will be same. Here it is 2. Here also if you open up, it will be xy will be having a degree, y square will be also equal to 2. So whenever you notice something like this, then you can apply the concept of homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Now your question will be how to make use of that remark. How to make use of this remark. First thing is write the question in the form of dy by dx will be equal to something. What does it mean? Shift this term on the right side. Look here and write dy by dx will be equal to this. This is your standard form. This is your standard form. Then you have to convert this question by using a substitution. Y will be equal to Vx. What does it mean? If y, here V is also function of x, so dy by dx will be equal to V as it is. Differentiation of x will be 1 plus x as it is dV by dx. So we will be making these changes in this particular box so as to convert the given question into variable separable form. Why it is so like this? Look here. I can write this problem as V over here plus x dV by dx. That minus sign I am just keeping outside. Xy. Over here x, y value is nothing but Vx plus V square x square. Are you getting? Whole divided by what you will get? Whole divided by, it will be x square. So replacing the value of y to be changed and dy by dx. Now v over here x dv by dx as it is. Always know whenever you are writing this step, x square will get cancelled. Look on the right side. So it will be minus v plus v square, that you will get on the right side. Minus v, x square will come common and it will get cancelled. Now v, I think you can get it cancelled from the both the side. Now I told you here you are going to convert in a variable separable form. Now how it is to be done? Look, x dv by dx will be over here. It will be equal to minus, this is v minus v square, and this v is shifted on the right side. So you are getting minus v square minus 2v. Is it okay? Now variable separable means all v and denominator of that also v. Over here always no keep minus sign if it is generated in any question on the right side also. Do you know why? Because this side arrangement will be, now it is variable separable. Can you see? Now there are what is to be done over here? Can you share me? Just tell me. Pause the video, think about that. There are two approaches. One can do completing square method. V square plus 1 means half of this 1. Add 1 minus 1. That is one way. Another student can think about, can I write this question as V over here? It will be V plus 2 and try to apply which method? Partial fraction. Just simplify at your end. I am writing now. Next step will be integration of that. See whether you are getting 1 by 2 log of V upon V plus 2. It will be minus log. Whenever both the places log is there, we have discussed in the last class, it will be nothing but log C. So this 2 can you multiply on the right side. It will be log upon V plus 2. It can be written as this 2. If you are writing minus 2 log of x plus 2 log of, I just call here C1, then I can write a constant of integration. Try to simplify, remove the log on both sides, and you will get your answer in the form of, if you simplify completely, just tell me, are you getting your equation in the form of 3x square minus 1 over here 3x square y. So the final arrangement you will get x square y will be equal to c 2x plus y. Now what are the things to be done? This minus 2, no, you can take it as a power. So it will be 1 by x square. This also it will be a constant. C by x square you can get over here. C by x square. And the log you can cancel out. And finally replace in that value of y also. What is to be replaced for y? Y to be replaced as vx. So if you simplify that v to be replaced as y by x, you will get final this. Just I am waiting. Just you confirm at your end. You are getting the same thing. Another way of identifying variable separable question is like this. If you notice somewhere here it is y by x is given, because y by x is coming from this step. Look here. This is a common pattern. This is a common pattern which is applicable in every case. So if you say y by x is equal to v, that means I should say y will be equal to vx, what we have done in the previous class, previous problem, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So before making these changes in the particular question, you should write the problem in the form of what? Dy by dx. First write down this in the form of this y to be shifted on this one, x to be shifted on the right side, and write in the dy by dx, and then we'll make changes. See, I think you will get the arrangement dy by dx equal to y minus x dy by y by x, and like this. Now I'm just making this changes. Dy by dx, v plus x dv by dx will be equal to y. Y can be written as vx minus x sine. Over here y by x can be written as v upon x. I told you in the previous question, here x will get cancelled, whatever ax or x square, something like that. So you are getting the simplest form of that like this, v minus sine of v. So v can get cancelled. Now it will be dv upon sine v, and I told you minus sign I should keep on the right side. It will be dx upon x, and now variable separable is over. It is nothing but 1 by sine is nothing but cosec integration is nothing but log of cosec x minus cot x will be equal to minus log of x plus log of c. Now try to remove the log from everywhere. This is can be written as log of c by x. Over here it will be log of cosec, here it should be v, you are integrating. Just take care of this also, v minus cos of v. So log can be, see, whenever there is a log on both sides, then only you can remove this log. Otherwise keep your answer in the same form, and now replace v is equal to yx. So x over here, cosec of y by x minus cot of cosec x minus cot x, y by x will be equal to constant of integration. So that is a way of answering the question. Here also there will be the possibility of you will get an initial value problem. What does it mean? The value of x and y will be given as it is given in the variable separable also. We'll see that type of question now. Now see the next question, x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy will be equal to 0. I think this is the extra thing is given. I think you are aware of that. X will be equal to 1, and this can also be given in the problem like this. X is equal to 1, y will be equal to 1. Okay. If you have noticed that a degree of each term is coming to its homogeneous, first step is writing the question in the dy by dx. Just write down the question. I am just showing the arrangement. Are you getting like this? Dy by dx. Okay. Now that standard form. Y will be equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v dx. So on the left hand side I will be getting v plus x dv by dx. Y square is v square x square minus x square 2x, and again y value I am replacing over here. Do you know, I am again telling you, after this step here there will be no x. Always remember, if there should be no x on the right side, x will get cancelled, and you are on the way of going to variable separable approach. Look here, v square minus v upon 2v here. This v can be shifted on the right side. Shift this and arrange and convert the dv by dx pattern. Now you know how to convert this. You can shift v on the right side and take a LCM. I think your variable converted form. Just check back. Now once it is in a variable separable form, you can integrate it. And you know the better way of simplifying the left hand side and the right hand side. Left hand side, again you are noticing that over here also you are getting the form of log only. So constant can be written as log of c. Try to simplify, it will be v square plus 1 can be written as c by x. Now always replace v by y by x. So you will be getting y by x, y square by x square plus 1 will be equal to c by x. Take LCM and try to simplify. It will be x square plus y square. Over here x can be shifted, and this is nothing but c square. This is nothing but a general solution of the differential equation. Look here, this is nothing but general solution of the differential equation. Now what are the conditions given? X is 1 and y will be also 1. So if you are replacing x and y 1, you will get the value of c. Just try to simplify, you are getting. So this is to be replaced here. So final answer will be nothing but x you have shifted over here. It will be x, this is x square plus y square, and this will be equal to 2 square. 2 is the value of c and it is nothing but x square. X square also you can cancel from the both the side. If you are cancelling x on both side, you will get x square plus y square will be equal to 2x. That is nothing but the particular solution. That is nothing but the particular solution of the differential equation. So this is a way of getting the things. We'll try to solve few more questions based on the same concept, homogeneous, and try to cover up. Look at the next question. I think if you have noticed, there is little change in the question. I have shown you earlier question where y by x was there. Here it is nothing but x by y. So little change in the problem. We will be taking x by y will be equal to v. This is the approach of the question. Here you can write x is equal to vy. Now it will be nothing but dx by dy will be equal to v as it is. Differentiation of y will be equal to 1 plus y as it is. Over here it will be dv by dx. So that is the change in the question. You can notice that question it is homogeneous of the form x by y. Previously we have seen y by x one of the question. Now if the question is in this form, then arrange the question in the form of dx by dy. So I am just shifting the terms. 1 plus e raised to power x by y, the whole dx will be equal to, I am writing e raised to power x by y. Here it will be xy minus 1 dy. Do you agree for this? Check back. It is nothing but dx by dy will be equal to e raised to power x by y. Over here also x by y minus 1 whole is divided by 1 plus e raised to power x by y. So that is the change. Now we will be making this alteration in the question. On the left hand side what you will get, v plus y dv by, just take care, here it is mistake, dv by dy e raised to power v. Over here it will be v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to power v. Now v to be shifted on the right side. Y over here dv by dy will be equal to v e raised to power v minus 1. It is nothing but e raised to power v upon 1 plus e raised to power v. You can shift v on the right side. Take LCM. What you will get LCM? LCM of this step is nothing but 1 plus e raised to power v, v e raised to power v minus e raised to power v minus v minus v e raised to power v. If you look at this, this will get cancelled. Now purely on the right side you are getting v. We have learned that also it is always convert in variable separable form. So it can be written as this 1 plus e raised to power v will be shifted over here and v plus e raised to power v. Then on the right side it will be dy upon y. This dy upon y can be shifted. Do you know minus sign? I told you all the times you can. Now if you integrate this, this is nothing but it's a derivative in the numerator. Look here. So it will be log of v plus e raised to power v minus log of y plus log of c again. Now you know every v to be replaced by now x by y and remove the log. This can be written as c by y. Remove the log expression and try to see. Just I am waiting for your response. Simplify properly. See, I think you are getting over here it will be x by y plus e raised to power x by y will be equal to, this is c by y. That is the nothing but the final solution. Sometimes no, you may simplify this multiplying y and all. So it is okay. So both are correct. So on this basis we will going to learn the last problem. If you see that you can arrange, it is nothing but x minus y dy will be equal to x plus y over here dx. Now this is a question in the form of dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y. Now you know that y can be replaced as vx and dy by dx can be replaced as v plus x dv by dx. So left hand side will be equal to v plus x dv by dx. I am talking about this step. Now x will be x, here it will be vx upon, here also it is x minus vx. You know that this is going to get cancelled, so you will be getting 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. So x into dv by dx will be equal to, now 1 plus v upon 1 minus v minus v. Go for LCM. 1 minus v will be over here, 1 plus v minus v square. It will get cancelled. Can you arrange? It will be 1 minus v upon 1 minus v square. here minus and minus plus will get 1 plus v square. dv will be equal to dx by x. Okay. Now you know how to integrate this. Try to answer the question. Just pause the video, think about the logical, otherwise see the solution. Can I write like this? This is the easiest way of arranging that question. Can be answered in any ways like this also. Do you remember this is standard formula? Here it is some technique you have to do. Do you remember 2 is to multiply and 2 is divided by over here that we have learned in earlier discussion. So it will be tan inverse of v minus, it will be 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square, it will be log of x plus, now do not write. So here it is all the places log is not there, so tan inverse v, and now replace v is equal to y by x. So the final solution is y by x over here minus 1 by 2, it will be log of 1 plus y square by x square over here log of x and the constant of integration. So this is a way of answering the homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So in the next video we are going to learn how to solve the problem based on the next concept that is called as a linear differential equation. Thank you.